Welcome to Understanding Sponsored Products, Sponsored Brands, and Sponsored Display to Drive Traffic and Sales, the podcast dedicated to helping Amazon sellers leverage sponsored advertising to enhance their visibility, drive traffic, and increase sales on the platform. In this episode, we'll explore the different types of sponsored advertising available on Amazon and how you can effectively use them to achieve your business goals. Introduction to Sponsored Advertising. Let's begin by understanding the basics of sponsored advertising on Amazon. Overview of sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display. Provide an overview of the three main types of sponsored advertising available on Amazon and their respective benefits and features. Placement and visibility. Discuss how sponsored ads appear on Amazon's platform and where they are displayed to potential customers. Sponsored products, driving traffic and conversions. Explore the benefits and strategies for using sponsored products ads. Keyword targeting. Discuss how sponsored products ads use keyword targeting to match customer search queries with relevant products. Enhanced visibility. Highlight how sponsored products ads can increase product visibility and drive traffic to your product listings. Sponsored brands, building brand awareness. Learn how sponsored brands ads can help you build brand awareness and loyalty. Brand messaging. Discuss the importance of crafting compelling brand messaging and visuals for sponsored brands ads to resonate with your target audience. Brand store integration. Explore how sponsored brands ads can drive traffic to your brand store, allowing customers to explore your full product range. Sponsored display. Retargeting and product targeting. Examine the benefits and strategies for using sponsored display ads. Retargeting. Discuss how sponsored display ads allow you to retarget customers who have previously viewed your product or similar products. Product targeting. Explore how sponsored display ads enable you to target specific products or categories related to your own products. Optimizing sponsored advertising campaigns. Highlight strategies for optimizing your sponsored advertising campaigns. Keyword optimization. Discuss the importance of keyword optimization and bid management to improve ad performance and maximize ROI. Performance monitoring. Emphasize the significance of monitoring ad performance metrics and making data-driven adjustments to optimize campaign effectiveness. As we conclude this episode of Understanding Sponsored Products, Sponsored Brands, and Sponsored Display to Drive Traffic and Sales, remember that sponsored advertising can be a powerful tool for increasing visibility, driving traffic, and boosting sales on Amazon. By understanding the different types of sponsored ads available, crafting compelling ad content, and continuously optimizing your campaigns, you can leverage sponsored advertising to achieve your business objectives and thrive on Amazon's platform. Thank you for tuning in, and may you apply these strategies to elevate your Amazon advertising efforts and grow your business. For more detailed guidance, resources, and personalized support to launch and grow your Amazon business, don't hesitate to visit us, and we can help you find your first product and help launch it on Amazon. You can also simply Google AMZ Product Launcher to find us. We're here to help you navigate every step of your Amazon selling journey. Thank you for tuning in. And remember, your successful Amazon journey starts here at AMZ Product Launcher.